It is our belief that the children that are coming after us will understand what culture is all about. But King David Ode is not based in Otukpo yet. His people has found him worthy to take the throne and to dispense the duty that his ancestors have left for him. Odumu is a masquerade that the Aikoguche hold so dearly to their hearts. Now, David also hold the Odumu so dearly to his heart. Let us go as we hear from him. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Congratulations once again. Okay, we are happy to have you as one of our king. And also the promotion of Idoma culture is one of the most paramount thing in our heart. Now, as the king of Aikoguche, the Agaba Alegwu, to put you here, being already a king, we know that you have a lot of things to discharge to elevate the Aikoguche. What are the pet projects that you'll be carrying out for them to know that actually the throne has come to their family or their kindred?
Well, first and foremost, I'd like to thank God for the opportunity to be in this position. I think it's a great privilege. It's well deserving. And secondly, I couldn't have done it without my community support and blessings, and I believe it's very overwhelming. And it's just a great honor. Well, I have a lot of things in mind. But the world is changing. I believe there's a great paradigm shift. And I would like to start, my first project will be reintroducing educational, it's kind of like informal education to see how we can promote one, information technology. AI is coming, it's taking over the world. And my idea is to begin that informal education first and foremost to attract them to the internet, to technology, where we can, put this stuff on the map and the whole world will know about it. And that it can also be beneficial to them, the community, and their children at large. That will be my first pet project.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, coming down to what you just said, AI is taking over and we need to run along as the world is, changing on a daily basis. Now, as a king, and we understand very well that you are not based here, of course, there should be a little, I don't know how you're going to manage from diaspora to this place.
Thank God for, again, technology, right? We can collaborate on several things via Facebook, Skype, and there's also Zoom. We've been using some of them already, and I think we'll be using a lot of that as well. The other thing is I'm always home. I think I frequent home a couple of times a year, and I'm here a few months when I come. And I also have representative, somebody strong who is highly educated. He's a pharmacist by profession. He's vast with regards to the knowledge of the culture, and he's also a prince. We came where I came from. Also, my great granddad was a king, so he's my granddad from my mom and my grandmom as well. So he's capable of handling it. I have a lot of great support from the elders of the community as well. With those collaboration, I think we can do a lot of great things together.